Most people think eating out is just a small treat, but it quietly costs families thousands extra every year. Here's exactly how to enjoy meals out while keeping your budget under control. Dining out versus home cooking cost comparisons are simply the real numbers behind each meal, so you can decide when eating out is worth it and when cooking at home saves you serious money. One of the biggest leaks most people don't notice is treating dining out as a casual habit. The real cost of this is 1 or 2 restaurant meals a week can easily add up to thousands extra every year. Solution: compare the full meal cost. This means including everything like oil, sauces, sides, and drinks, so you see the true home versus restaurant difference. Real example: a family in England used to spend £320 a month on dining out and takeaways. After they started comparing the full cost of each meal and cooking more at home, they dropped to £160, saving over £1,920 a year while still enjoying occasional restaurant meals. Another hidden expense that adds up fast is not calculating your default meal cost at home. The real cost of this is you have no baseline to compare takeaways against. Solution: calculate your average go-to meal cost at home. This becomes your benchmark for every takeaway decision. A big mistake is eating out without a worth it rule. The real cost of this is you spend 3 to 5 times more on meals that aren't worth it. Solution: set a worth it rule before eating out. Ask if this experience is worth 3 to 5 times your home meal cost. If not, skip it. Impulse takeaway orders are another common issue. The real cost of this is they become an expensive habit. Solution: pre-decide your takeaway days. Choose fixed days like Friday only, so you remove impulse decisions. Restaurant portions are often oversized. The real cost of this is you pay for more food than you need. Solution: split or downsize portions when eating out. This cuts the bill instantly. Most people don't track the gap between eating out and cooking. The real cost of this is you don't see how much you're overspending. Solution: track cost per meal weekly. A quick 2-minute review of what you spent eating out versus cooking. Create better than takeaway home versions of your favorite meals. The real cost of this is takeaways keep pulling you in. Solution: pick your top 2 or 3 takeaways and replicate them at home. Once it's close enough, takeaway loses its pull. To make it easy, a good meal planning app can help you calculate costs and plan meals quickly. Just search for one on the Play Store or iOS Store if you want to try the same approach. The problems that quietly drain your budget are treating dining out as the default option, ordering extras without thinking, or assuming home cooking always takes too much time. So, here are the key steps you can start using right away. Compare the full meal cost. This shows the real home versus restaurant difference. Calculate your default meal cost at home. This becomes your baseline. Set a worth it rule before eating out. This acts as a simple filter. Replace just 1 or 2 takeaway meals per week. This keeps it realistic and sustainable. Have a lazy meal list ready. This kills the "I can't be bothered" excuse. Pre-decide your takeaway days. This removes impulse decisions. Cap restaurant spend per visit. This stops drinks and extras doubling the bill. Split or downsize portions when eating out. This cuts cost instantly. Track cost per meal weekly. This changes behavior fast. Create better than takeaway home versions of your favorite meals. This reduces the pull of takeaways. Put it all together, and the average family that spends around £300 to £400 a month on dining out and takeaways can realistically cut that by 40 to 50%. That's often £1,500 to £2,400 a year saved. Your next smart move starts with comparing the cost of your next meal. Next episode: monthly subscription creep elimination.